So what I'll often do for a website, even on maybe even every page, is create a hero banner or a large picture just below the navigation bar to introduce that page to provide a nice graphic element at the top. Anyway, so you can see here there's Coos County, and this is a picture of some houses from a drone. But let's say we wanted to change that. Changing the hero banner, which is that section, can be just a little different than changing images elsewhere on your page. So let me show you that. We're going to edit this page. And we click on that hero banner. There's not a lot of options that show up in this context menu here. So this is one of the cases where you definitely have to look over in this right sidebar to see the other capabilities of making changes here. And there's 3 tabs in the sidebar, typically with a lot of blocks, but especially this block that's called the row layout. There's the layout, there's the style, and then advanced. You won't go into advanced most of the time, but style, if we click on that, you'll see, oh, there's our picture that's under the words Coos County in our hero banner. That is the picture that makes the hero banner a picture. If we want to change that, we can simply hit the X and select a new picture. Now let's say you need to find a picture. Within the media library, and especially for this purpose, there's an extra tab here. There's upload files. You can upload a picture of your own. You can search the media library for pictures you've already added, but if you need a new picture, one option to acquire royalty-free and free of charge images is this tab here called Pexels. So I'm going to click Pexels, and I'm going to type in Coos County, Oregon, and see what happens. There are pictures of Oregon, and they're nice. I'm going to choose one of these. They may not all be Coos County, but I'm going to guess that they might be. I'm going to click on this one, so I'm going to choose Download Image. And then select. Always look for the blue button that lets you move forward. Select. And that is looking pretty good, but in case it didn't, keep in mind over here there's this circle that can let you rearrange the picture. And in case you want a slightly different composition, or in case it's not showing the faces of your people or something like that, always choose a horizontal image for this purpose. The other thing is, in order to easily read Coos County on top of this picture, I have created an overlay, and if we are still in the style and we're on that row that creates our hero banner and we scroll down in our sidebar, you'll see background overlay settings. We open that, and I can, for this case, maybe reduce that opacity a little bit. So, because this image allows us to see the words Coos County pretty adequately, even without an overlay. Then you'll save. And that's how you edit a hero banner on the top of your page.